But the reason why Xi Jinping would say something like that, saying, okay, by 2035 we're gonna double the economy and we're gonna surpass the United States in terms of technology. So you see, like the way he said the timeline he laid out, and also the reason I think why he say something like this is that he has some tricks, he has some tactics he's gonna use against the United States. First, you mentioned about the investment, $7 trillion to $10 trillion as we speak right now is still invested in Communist China. We saw a negative direct investment flow from last November onwards in China for the like first time in the past 20 years, right? After 2001, after WTO, I think we've never seen that. The increasement of the investment has also always been increasing, but for the first time, it decreased. Well, the capital is not flowing into China anymore, but still, American companies are not leaving. American companies still staying in China. A lot of companies are thinking, okay, the CCP will continue to rule China, and the economy is going to bounce back. They're going to have another chance. But we're saying you don't have any chance. If we continue to let this happen, we could continue to, if the tension continue to rise. For example, if United States decide to wage war, a kinetic war in South China Sea or Taiwan Strait, well, it's a easiest option for Xi Jinping to confiscate those money. And remember, those money does not belong to the U.S. government or whatever. The money is from American people's pension funds, education funds, teachers funds, right? George, if you look at New York or New Jersey, like a lot of those teachers funds, they run the people's money. Like the people like put the money in 401k, put the money in pension funds, or even just in the saving accounts. You're in the bank. The bank doesn't have the money, but the bank only have like maybe 5% of the money they claim they have. They loan the rest 95% out to Wall Street, right, to whatever companies, and then those companies, those special interest groups, those people, from Wall Street, they reinvest those money to stock markets in China, to Chinese, whatever investment equity fund, whatever it is. And there are lots of law firms, there are lots of investment funds doing this and making huge amount of money. For example, like Sequoia Capital, like PAG, right? Those companies run like tens of billions of dollars and make a lot of money and make a lot of people rich, make a lot of politicians rich, and basically move all the wealth to China. And now, when you think about like the whatever 3%, 5%, 7% growth of GDP for China, they are looking at your money, like the money you put in, like all the money could be gone at any moment.